What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see today we do have a product from Prodigee. They were kind enough to send me over their Valley. This is a case, a nice little case with one of those neck straps, so you can wear it on your neck or wear it on the side of you like a purse. This is the back. If you want to check that out, pause the video, you can read that for yourself. Pretty much we're just going to unbox this and test it out on the phone and see what I think. So pretty much you get the lanyard. I'll have to figure out later how to connect this to this. The only problem with this case that I have is that this has a soft back to it, and I feel like this will get nasty. I wish they would have sent me it over in black, but they didn't. So I don't know how much I'll be rocking this case. Maybe like for special occasions. And then I do also like to match my wallpapers with my cases. So we shall see. And the inside is soft. Does have MagSafe capability. It is MagSafe capable. You get like a little gold accent around the camera ring and on the buttons. I feel like this will go good with the new desert color for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, it does have a snug fit, so pretty much you do get your power button, which is nice and clicky, and I do like the gold accent. That's a nice touch. You do get access to your camera button right there, as you can see. No problem getting in there using the functions that you need. I just wish it was a button, because I feel like if dust, dirt, and grime gets in here, that could affect the way you use this. But we shall see. At the bottom here, you do get access to your cameras, to your cutouts that are supposed to be there. And on this side, you do get your alert slider. Nice and clicky, no problem. Volume up and down button are nice and clicky also. Overall, this does look nice. It feels nice, but like I said, this has that soft texture to it, so I don't know how well this will last with you putting it in and out of your pockets. You do get a nice lip on the front, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you would be good to go. But I always recommend you throw on a screen protector for better protection. I hope you found this video helpful. I will put a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.